And moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using an itertools. So first we are going to import our library, that is from the itertools we are going to import the combinations over here. After that we are initializing our string, and after that we are going to use the list comprehension and the combinations both together. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to go through the for loop over here, in which we are going to go through the combinations of the string 1 for the, which is x and to the y, and in which the range is from the length of the string plus 1 and the r has been set to the 2. So what the r is nothing but the up to the length of the tuples, and also divide the no repeating elements. That's why we have used an r and it's been set to the 2. And after that we have the string slicing, which is str1 x on the y, and we are storing all of these combinations into the list 1, and we have them as an output.